Welcome to this Hangman Game tutorial. In this video, we'll create a simple text-based Hangman game using Python. Now, let's dive into the code. We'll start by writing the basic structure of our Hangman game. Import random. This line imports the random module, which we'll use to choose a random word from the word list. The line import OS is used to handle screen clearing based on the operating system in our code. Word_list is a list of words from which the game will randomly select a word for the player to guess. This code defines a function clear_screen that clears the screen based on the operating system. On Windows, it uses CLS, and on other systems, it uses clear. Play_Hangman function defines the main function to play the Hangman game. We call the choose_word function to get a random word for the player to guess. Guessed_letters is a list will keep track of the letters the player has guessed. Attempts is the number of allowed attempts is set to 6, but you can customize this value. Print, welcome to Hangman. This line displays a welcome message to the player. The while loop is the main game loop. It continues until the game is won or lost. We initialize an empty string called display_word to represent the word as the player guesses. The for loop iterates through each letter in word_to_guess, the random word. Inside the loop, we check if a letter is in guessed_letters list. If it is, we add the letter to display_word variable, otherwise, we add an underscore. Print, display_word. This line prints the current state of the word with underscores for unguessed letters. Print, f, attempts left, attempts. This prints the number of attempts remaining. This part of the code checks if the word the player has guessed, display_word, matches the target word, word_to_guess. If they match, it means the player has guessed the word correctly, and the game prints, congratulations. You guessed the word before ending the game with the break statement. It's the win condition of the Hangman game. Guess equals input, guess a letter, dot lower, this line takes player input for guessing a letter. Lower is used to convert the input to lowercase to ensure that case sensitivity doesn't affect the game. Here, we check if the guessed letter is already in the guessed_letters list. If it is, it means the player has already guessed that letter, and we print a message informing them of this and use continue to skip the rest of the loop and prompt them to guess again. This line checks if the guessed letter is present in the word_to_guess list. If it is, it means the player has made a correct guess. We add the guessed letter to the guessed_letters list to keep track of it. Else, if the guessed letter is not in word_to_guess, it's a wrong guess. Clear_screen is called to clear the screen before displaying the game state. Guessed_letters.append, guess even for incorrect guesses, the guessed letter is still added to the guessed_letters list to keep track of it. Attempts-1, this line decreases the attempts variable by 1 to indicate that the player has made an incorrect guess and has one fewer attempt left. Print, wrong guess. A message, wrong guess, is printed to inform the player that their guess was incorrect. The following lines display a simple ASCII art hangman drawing based on the number of attempts left. When attempts is 5, the game displays the head. As attempts decrease, more parts of the hangman figure are added until the game is lost or won. If attempts reach 0, it means the player has exhausted all their chances, and the game is lost. We print a message displaying the correct word, and then we break out of the game loop to end the game. Finally, the play_hangman function to start the game. This allows you to run the Hangman game when you execute the script.